So Devyani does not want to get married, and Bhavna is going to talk to her that Devyani, why have you thought like this? Come on. Okay, go.
Yes,
You are convincing me.
Hmm. To get
yes.
married, not to be Salman Khan. Okay, go ahead.
Dev, Devyani, what are you thinking to get married?
Uh, I think nowadays marriage is overrated, just because women are like empowered and they can't handle men's ego. That's why I am saying this.
No, you can't say that marriage is overrated. This is the thing which cannot be ever overrated. This is the custom in society which we all have to follow this. So one day, I think at a time you will realize that marriage is a very necessary thing.
So, Bhavana ma'am, as I see that there are many couples who live without marriage. So, I
Live.
Couples
don't
won't live.
think I
Couples won't live without marriage. Okay, and if you are talking about the live-in
so
relationship,
what is marriage? Let me know what is marriage in your point of view.
marriage is a thing. Marriage is a bond between two people who lead the life equally, who uh, who take the responsibilities equally.
So, so do you really think any type of bond is good for society and individual? Bond means something uh, tied together. matlab, Okay, so
Marriage is
I
Devyani,
don't think
actually
any type
marriage.
of I think freedom is more important rather than bond.
Bond is here you can here you can not bond means ki I think you are getting my point wrong. I'm somewhere I feel I'm failed to convince you, but bond is a very good thing between two people. Okay, marriages is not a restriction on the people. Okay, yes, if you get a good partner, then marriage is very good thing. But if you get a wrong partner, then marriage will be hell for
Ma'am, ma'am,
them.
I read in social science and there was mentioned marriage is just for the childbirth. Okay, so it is not necessary if you don't want to any child in your life. So it doesn't matter you are going to marry or not. Are you
Uh,
convinced with me?
no. I'm not convinced with you
Convinced.
because marriage. If you are talking about the giving birth of babies, if you will not give the birth of babies, then how will your
How?
dynasty? सर क्या कहेंगे वंश को क्या कहते हैं?
Destiny?
Legacy, legacy.
No, legacy.
हाँ, how will your legacy
Go.
will go on?
Proceed.
Ma'am,
Proceed. Yes.
ma'am, there are lots of orphan. Okay, and we can adopt a child from there. So, so it doesn't matter that child should be married couple. Okay,
From married.
Okay.
women's are not just for the childbirth.
Yes, definitely.
From the now, from this
Definitely.
era.
Definitely, but it doesn't mean कि you shouldn't get married. Okay,
So,
it's
what is the reason
realize
behind marriage? Give me something valid reason for the marriage.
it's your
If you
choice.
want
Devyani, it's your choice. But according to me, if I need someone to share my feelings, to share my grief, to share my happiness, I need a person, and that would be definitely my husband.
Ma'am, as I know that I have lots of friends, okay, and you have also, okay.
Yes.
So you can lots of things share with your friends, with your colleague, which you can't share with your husband. Am I right or wrong?
No,
So
somewhere you,
how
somewhere
can
you can,
you say that
somewhere,
कि
somewhere you can be
you
wrong.
share? So
Sir, may I add
let
something?
please prove me how I am wrong. Please prove
because
me.
Sir,
you can't share
Two
everything
people.
to your friend, you can't share everything to your sister or brother, but the only husband is there whom you can share everything. Okay,
There was an
it
there was
depends
an interview.
how type of husband you will get to marry.
What type?
It
It
depends on
will
them.
it will come to know after marriage. Okay, and marriage
Yes,
is just glamour, jua. Okay, so
Gamble.
if you,
life
huh,
life is a gamble. You don't know
so
how
so
to, what
yes,
type of
yes.
parents
Now
you
you
will
came,
get. What?
ma'am. Now you came to the point. Life is gamble. Okay, so
Gamble.
why
Gamble.
I gamble? So why I should compromise my life with someone?
Do you know
If
what type?
if
Uh, uh, did you know before taking birth that what type of parents you are going to get?
now
Then why you
nowadays
took?
there
Then why you
are.
took birth? Why took you birth?
Ma'am, I'm
Everyone
not
is
Maharana.
not.
Ma'am,
Every
I'm not a Maharana Pratap. I'm not a Maharana Pratap. So I don't think so that anyone should come into my life
life,
and I should. Uh,
Devyani, Devyani, this is a very practical thing. Okay, so don't go on bookish knowledge. You do. Life is very unpredictable, and people are also very unpredictable. So you don't know who is coming to your life, and who is wrong or who is right. You can't
ma'am,
think that marriage
already
is.
there are lots of orphans and there are lots of children. they
Yes,
they need some attention. We can adopt them and
I
we
have
can
two.
provide good,
I
we
I
can
have two children.
provide good.
I have two children. I have adopted two orphans from the orphanage, and I paid all the education expenses for them.
So
Okay,
are
this
they so
depends.
are they
This
so
depends
are
on
they
the
living with
people.
you? So
No,
are
they
they
are not.
living with you?
They are not living with me because it's not possible for me to take them with me. Okay, because I have already two children, but I am taking care of them, and this will be helpful for them if everyone take the responsibilities with their own children.
Uh,
Nothing is certain in the
if
life.
if you think there was some saying vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Okay, so
Yes.
agar if I feel that everything is mine, so I should provide attention, love, and emotions to that children. Now I'm
So
done.
yes,
So so
who stops you?
so
You can
I
provide
think
love
for
and
that
emotion.
I think for that marriage is not that much important. If you have love, if you are feeling care for someone, you can do for everyone.
One day you will, when you will be older, and when you will lying on the bed, then only your child or your husband will care
No,
for
for that nurse and doctors are there,
you.
and
Money can't
and
provide everything, Devyani. Money can't provide
and I can.
everything. If it is possible, then no rich man will ask. सर क्या बोलेंगे कि अमीर आदमी मंदिरों के आगे खड़ा रो नहीं रो रहा होता.
Oh, would not go temples to temples.
Yes.
So
So
I don't want to burden on anyone. Okay, neither my family nor my husband. So if I feel sometime that I'm going to be burden on someone, it is good for me that I should die.
but Devyani, I would like to request you to get married. Otherwise, you will make the life of others hell. Okay, so please get married
No, no.
because in this way you will make the life hell of one person. Otherwise, there will be
Okay, guys. See, though it was
So,
a 5 minute program, however, the guys took 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes.
oh,
Okay.
sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.